Alicia Soika with Alicia & Company at Long & Foster, and welcome to 12524 Cutler Ridge Drive. This gorgeous colonial transitional with a wraparound porch is ready for you. Come take a look with me. This beautiful transitional colonial home was built in 1984, but completely renovated from head to toe in 2016. It has 2,430 square feet. There's 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths on 0.35 acres. This neighborhood is highly sought after, tucked in between Ridgefield Road and Gayton Road in the west end of Henrico. The kitchen and baths have been completely redone, as you can see. Everything is brand new, ready for you. This home actually offers incredible living spaces as well as 4 bedrooms. You have your formal dining room, formal living room that opens into the large family room and a wood burning fireplace. The rear staircase off of the kitchen gives you access to all 4 bedrooms. At the top of the stairs is a great loft area, perfect for gaming or a little homework area. There are 3 additional rooms in addition to the gorgeous master suite offered. The master bath has an amazing master suite that was perfectly renovated with gorgeous skylights and a walk-in closet and a fun barn door that accesses the space. Enjoy the oasis as you sink into your new home. Thanks for coming to check out 12524 Cutler Ridge Drive here in Ridgefield. It is a beautiful home ready for you to move in. It's in a perfect location in the Short Pump area, just off of Ridgefield Road and Gayton Road. It actually districts to Gayton Elementary, Pocahontas Middle, and Godwin High School. So if you want easy access, a great size home ready to go and turnkey, come check it out. Also, check out the virtual tour I have coming here soon on Facebook Live. Talk to you soon.